Welcome to Purposefully AI. Today, we're diving into how you can launch a complete online store this week using nothing but AI. Imagine launching a profitable online store with zero inventory, no employees, and no customer service headaches. This is now possible, with AI doing all the heavy lifting. This system allows creators to sell digital and print-on-demand products without ever touching fulfillment. AI handles product creation, fulfillment, and even customer support. Our focus here is leverage, building one simple system and letting AI run it. It's about working smarter, not harder. This model combines three things: digital products or print-on-demand items, AI-generated product creation and copy, and automation for fulfillment and support. That means you eliminate buying stock, shipping boxes, and managing a team. You build the system once, and AI maintains it daily. Now let's look at product creation, where AI becomes your entire product team. Use ChatGPT to generate product ideas, descriptions, brand voice, and store copy. A simple prompt can get you 10 targeted product ideas right away. Once you have an idea, use tools like Canva AI or Midjourney to design your product or create digital assets like planners and templates. No design background needed. AI fills the skill gap. Next, you need a storefront. The process is simple, and you can launch without any coding knowledge. For beginners, choose Shopify for maximum control or Gumroad or Etsy for the fastest possible setup. Ask ChatGPT to write clean, high-converting product page copy focused on benefits and simplicity. Paste it in, upload your product, and publish. Your store is live. The secret to the no employees part is robust automation. AI becomes your operations department. Automate order fulfillment. Digital products deliver instantly, and print-on-demand items ship automatically using connected systems. For support, tools like Zapier or built-in platform features handle delivery emails and connect everything. AI can even write polite support replies for common issues like delayed shipping. You don't need expensive ads to start. AI helps you generate free organic traffic. AI can create Pinterest pins, Instagram captions, YouTube short scripts, and email copy. Use a simple prompt to generate 5 strong, benefit-focused social media captions. Post consistently, build momentum from just one initial product, and let the system warm up naturally. Let's set realistic expectations for this powerful system. This is not overnight money, but it is low risk, scalable, and repeatable. You build once, AI maintains, and sales compound over time. That's how real systems work. If you want a beginner-friendly guide to building income with AI, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. And subscribe to Purposefully AI for more videos on building simple systems that lead to real, sustainable income.